Hello and welcome back to Faceless Security, where we explore the world of technology and cybersecurity. ITIL, Information Technology Infrastructure Library, is a set of best practices for IT service management, ITSM, that focuses on aligning IT services with the needs of the business. The ITIL framework provides a comprehensive, consistent, and coordinated set of processes that support the management and delivery of IT services. It is a widely adopted approach to ITSM and is used by organizations around the world. In this video, we will briefly discuss about the ITIL-4 framework. ITIL-4 is the latest version of the IT Infrastructure Library, ITIL, framework, which is a globally recognized set of best practices for managing IT services. ITIL-4 was released in February 2019 and is designed to be more flexible, collaborative, and integrated with other frameworks and methodologies. The ITIL-4 framework is organized around 4 dimensions of service management. Organizations and people. This dimension focuses on the roles, responsibilities, and competencies needed to deliver and manage IT services effectively. It includes areas such as organizational structure, culture, skills development, and employee engagement. Information and technology. This dimension covers the tools, systems, and data needed to support IT service management. It includes areas such as service automation, cloud computing, cybersecurity, and data management. Partners and suppliers. This dimension addresses the relationships between IT service providers and their external partners and suppliers. It includes areas such as supplier management, outsourcing, and collaboration. Value streams and processes. This dimension focuses on the end-to-end delivery of IT services and the processes and workflows involved. It includes areas such as service design, service transition, service operation, and continual service improvement. ITIL-4 also introduces a new service value system, SVS, that integrates the 4 dimensions and provides a holistic approach to IT service management. The SVS includes 5 components. Service value chain. This component defines the high-level activities that are required to create value for customers, including plan, improve, engage, design and transition, obtain or build, and deliver and support. Practices. This component includes 34 practices that provide detailed guidance on specific areas of IT service management, such as incident management, problem management, change control, and service level management. Governance. This component provides guidance on how to ensure that IT service management is aligned with organizational strategy and objectives, and that risks and compliance requirements are managed effectively. Continual improvement. This component emphasizes the importance of ongoing improvement to IT service management practices and provides guidance on how to monitor and improve the effectiveness and efficiency of IT services. Service Management Office. This component provides guidance on how to establish and maintain a Service Management Office, SMO, to support the implementation and operation of IT service management practices. Overall, ITIL-4 is designed to be a more agile and customer-focused framework that enables organizations to deliver IT services that are more responsive, efficient, and aligned with business needs. It provides a comprehensive set of best practices that can be tailored to meet the specific needs of different organizations and industries. That concludes the Information Technology Infrastructure Library Framework overview. To learn more, click the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content from Faceless Security.